Alright, well, we're here in Uncle Jason's garage getting ready to process up that moose that the boy shot a few days ago. And before we do that, I'm going to roll a little bit of footage that we had from a hunt earlier this year. It's too good a footage not to show you guys. And after that, we'll come right back here and Dad is going to give us the rundown on how to DIY butcher your own moose. And I'll roll that hunt footage right now. Road door up.
Yeah, with Levy those.
She haven't moved either. Well, good morning. We're back in moose hunting here in western Newfoundland, and just stopped up at this here point looking over a bit of a bog, and we've seen 2 moose so far today. Well, one of them was dead when we got there, but the vehicle just in before us, as you seen earlier, they shot a nice little 7 or 8 point bull right on the side of the road. Perfect spot to shoot it. And that cow was hanging around, man, if she only had a set of antlers. But we're in here now for the morning, a bit of a morning hunt, and to see if we can come up on one. There's a heavy ceiling there this morning, a lot of fog, but who knows? Moose are always moving. They got legs, so hopefully we'll get one. I say the same cow was with that bull. Man,
Pretty animal, she's really pretty. All of her hair is like perfect. All her roof up, she's made with us. But she's hanging around with that bull. She's not very big, is she?
She caught in the pea, look.
What?
Caught in the pea.
Look.
If you only had that set of antlers, my love. Well, after driving a whole lot and the fog being so heavy, we haven't really been able to see a whole lot. But we just come down in this here valley, maybe where we're so low that there's not much fog here, so we're going to sit here for a bit, do a bit of glassing. I think we got a lot to look at, so hope we can see one. On the road again. Alright, well, unfortunately we never got a moose on that trip, and the video that we did with Kimmy for her hunt, Chin and Hannah went out that day and got Hannah's moose, and Chin got his moose prior to that, so freezer full for them. So we're going to show you guys how to process a moose. So this is the hind quarter we're starting with. What do you say you're taking it first?
Swank.
So what are you doing there?
So I'm just going to bone it out.
that's your back strap.
Clean up all the meat.
For like a bottle?
That's the bone right, yeah.
And this here's the what?
That's the top sirloin.
Okay.
Should I bother to cut this up now or wait till Jason gets out? I can break down more stuff, right? That's probably all good.
Okay.
For the sirloin, you can pretty much tell it's almost like a, see that there? Come down there.
It's like the muscle structure, right?
Yeah.
Like. So this is your
Sirloin tip.
okay. And that's good for like what, fast frying roast and that?
Fast fry roast, yeah, steak and ball. So this is the hip now. So it comes in. You don't want to go too wide because what it does in this little cup
It's all cartilage, right?
comes down probably about an inch or so until you see the muscle in there.
Okay. And this is your
That's the hip. That's the round stuff.
oh okay.
Inside and outside eye.
How cold is it in here?
Nice.
So then the rest of the stuff here, is that like all that's bottle?
Bottle or ground, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Well, just like that, a couple cuts, and that the hind quarter is almost fully deboned. A little bit up top here for the ground or bottle, but now we're gonna get it on the table and butcher it up and in the steaks in that.
Yeah.
So this is the sirloin, right?
Sirloin tip, yeah.
All right. Yeah, you got the Navy knife set in there?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I'll get it.
I can start packing up some ground.
Beauty.
That's what you want, is it?
Yeah.
New view kit.
Tenderloin, no, just backstrap.
Yeah.
So how thick you think, like that?
That would be good enough for that. Just little strips. Oh, you got the edge on it? Oh,
Yeah.
it looks good. Looks nice. Hold on.
Oh, just nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that's more backstrap, yeah?
Yep. Okay.
But that is good for ball because it's not tough.
Like you could, like that's plain as day there now. Like what's what? I don't know the outside inside, but I know the eye. Eye is just right up through the middle.
Well, the inside is the biggest part of the hip. So this is the inside, the bottom.
That's inside round.
Yeah.
Okay.
Biggest part hit. So this here's your outside.
Exactly. Or
Interesting.
top round.
Oh, it's good to know, man. No problem. Lots of bags. I'll open the door. I'll let the fire for a bit.
Dave's just finishing up the last of the round here now. And besides a little bit of stew meat, that there basically covers the hind quarter. So, didn't take too long. It's a lot cheaper to do it yourself, you know. I had a man message me when we did this here last time, a couple years ago, and said we really helped him out by doing a little bit of a how-to. So, there you go. Do another one for you. So right around there, this is just she.
Yeah, come back this way now as you're. Oh. Yeah, there you go. As you're going, cut, push it out. There you go. The seam is pretty easy.
Defined, isn't it?
Yeah. You can cut right down to the
Yeah,
border,
cut right
no?
off. No. There you go.
There you go. Yeah,
There's the eye. There's a period.
Yeah. There you go.
Like gutting a salmon.
Yeah. You can go right down to your cut board now. There you go.
All right, not too bad.
So what you got
The
there?
bottom part is the hardest.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
So very.
So that's your inside or bottom round.
Aye.
Eye round.
Outside.
Outside.
Yeah, a few nicks there.
Yes.
Oh, that's not.
But what? You won't notice that when you're eating it.
No.
Well, we're gonna close up for the night. It's a work night, so we get the 2 hindquarters just about done. Dave's gone there now, and we're going to, Jason's just gonna chunk up some bottle meat and that kind of stuff. But anyway, so we're gonna pick this up in a few nights' time and do the 2 front quarters, and yeah, get a little breakdown on that one too.
That's the eye round. Here, that's for you.
No.
Take it. Look at it. So good. You can't turn that down.
Nice. All right, well, we're here again. We're gonna break down some of the 2 front quarters here tonight. It's Friday evening now, and this shear shouldn't take as long. I think a lot of the front can be used as bottle and ground, but there is a little bit of meat we want to salvage in there. So Dave's gonna drop over here now at once, and we're gonna get to it again.
Mr. Man's growing like a weed.
Yeah.
He's growing, sir. He's growing.
Ah, you angel.
Say
You cut some moose? Aw.
moose.
Moose.
Say no. Don't want to.
All right, we got the front quarter here. Start explaining there, Daddy-o.
Well, you're going to come down about six or so ribs. 4, 5, 6. Yep. Come across here. Cut down through there. Here up is your prime rib.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna say, like, for instance, right there.
Okay.
Right there. Prime rib. So this is just basically what we used to call the plate, is your ribs. This is your brisket down there, though.
Yeah.
Yes, boy.
Yeah. Right in the bottom.
Right. There's your brisket.
Oh, look at the eyes on him.
Trick of the trade now, Jace.
Give me.
Get your small knife back in. Make a little cut underneath that rib there.
There's your handle.
Right.
Yeah. Take that.
Down comes the table.
Our new cameraman.
Promotion.
If I was using the saw,
Yeah.
I'd take it off about right here somewhere. So this will be your blade,
Yeah.
roast, blade steak, short rib and all that stuff, cross rib. So
And for those that like doing it this way, you're destroying the shoulder blade. If you want to keep the
Yeah.
shoulder blade, you can't, because it cut right through the shoulder blade. See,
Oh, very
right through for the prime rib.
yeah.
You want me to get that?
Nope. So this will be your cross rib here on this side.
So this part here is the cross rib.
Yeah. I'll take it off right to the bone there.
Yeah.
Follow your bone, always follow the bone.
Always follow the bone. So that's your cross rib.
Yep.
Okay.
Shank meat there.
Yep. That's bottled meat.
So you doing that steak there?
Yep. Cross rib.
Okay.
Turn the lights on the.
Dad, what are you doing there?
Well, I'm taking it to shoulder blade now.
Underneath the blade, what are you gonna do? Is this blade steaks here?
Yeah, I can cut that up for.
For the strips, or
Yeah.
Let me hold this, yeah?
so stay good. Suction, right?
See you later.
Peace out, Napoleon.
Just a little bit on that front
The
quarter.
neck ground meat.
Yeah, so just gonna chunk that off and put it in
Thanks,
packaging.
Barry.
And I gotta do a little bit. Yeah, loves you, Dad. I'm gonna do a little more cleanup here now. All right, well, we're just finishing up the last little bit of the bottled meat and now bagging it up. And basically, this process is complete.
Time consuming.
It's time consuming, but you know, it's not that hard when you really got a fella who knows what they're doing with you. No, it's when you really take your time and understand the muscle structures and that. It's not that bad.
Open up, say.
Yeah. But anyway, so what we're doing now. Big old bags of bottle or stew, and sometime over the winter now, some Saturday I got off, I'll take this out and do some ground meat. I got a bunch of beef fat from my friend Andrew at D&D Farms. I want to give them a shout out in Cormac. They are one of the best abattoirs around here, and if you need any meat cut up, go see Andrew. Does a great job. So we're going to get this last little bit finished up here. I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching, guys. This is a thing that we love to do this time of year. Get out in the garage and listen to some music and just take the time to butcher up the meat. So if you guys like this video, make sure you click like and subscribe. We did a video just like this a few years back. You can go ahead and watch that one if you'd like. And stay tuned for the next one. Got a lot of moose hunting to do yet, and going to be enjoying a lot of this meat now over the winter.